Now one more solution from engineering mechanics, problem set 2.7, the friction part of the problems, solution to 2.102. Very simple, it will hardly take 2-3 minutes. What is the necessary coefficient of friction between the tires and the roadway to enable a four-wheel drive automobile in figure A to climb a 30% grade? Now, all these things here are in fact immaterial. So what is a 30% grade? If you look at the car is trying to move up an inclined plane, having 30% grade means per every 100 meter, per every 100 units of horizontal surface, if the horizontal part is 100 units and the height is 30, then the inclination is called 30% grade. If this is 100 and this vertical height is 50, then it will be called a 50% grade, right? So now look at the diagram. The car, I have drawn it in as a rectangular box. From the center of gravity of the car, its weight is acting vertically downward. So this angle is 90. Let this angle is theta. Therefore, this is 90 minus theta. What should I add to this 90 minus theta to this side to make it 90 is theta. This is 90 minus theta. So this will be theta. Now, the car will tend to move for this side. It is trying to move up, but a component of its weight will be acting to this side, so it will tend to move this way. So it is the friction that is holding it back, so the friction will be to this side, force of friction F. So if this angle is theta, in this triangle, if you consider tan theta, will be 30 over 100. Now let us consider this as x-axis and this as a y-axis, which I have drawn it here. So if the coefficient of friction between the tire and the surface is mu, to this side is your force of friction will be mu times the normal reaction. And this car, a part of its weight to this side, that is W cos theta, will act as an action force normal to the surface, normal to this surface. So Rn, the reaction force, will be along this side. So if you take the component of W to this side by drawing a perpendicular, then this length will be W cos theta, that will be equal to your Rn. So Rn is your W cos theta. And if you take the component of W to this side, that is same thing as this, it will be W times sin theta. So that will be balanced by the force of friction mu times Rn. So Rn is W cos theta, mu times Rn is W sin theta. Just divide or put the value of Rn here. So you get mu times W cos theta is W sin theta. Take cos theta to the right hand side. We are left with W cancels. We are left with mu is equal to tan theta. And tan theta you can well see from this triangle as 30 perpendicular about base, 30 over 100, that is 0.3. So mu is equal to 0.3. So the minimum value of mu is equal to 0.3. So mu should be greater than equal to 0.3. So that is very simple. This kind of problems are normally asked in school examinations, not in but this year JEE main examination was pretty easy. Such questions can be asked in JEE main also, but not of course in GATE examination. Thank you.